Good morning, guys. What is poppin'? I hope you guys are all doing well. Let's see. Yesterday we had this brilliant trade. Price about to continue. Amazing. Tempting. Okay, let's see. Can we get a trade in? Can we get a trade in? What is the market gonna give us this fan morning? What is the market gonna give us? Let's see. Copy this. Alright, let's go. I sent my analysis out. Hope that's helpful. Let's see. Today's CPI. Gonna play it a little risky, I guess. If you're taking a trade. Right now, Euro USD just took out one QP right over here. Very good. GU's potential to continue up also is pretty high. Just be patient. Just be patient. We had GBP CPI this morning, which dropped price straight down. So that's what we're also going to keep an eye out for. The way GBP CPI just dropped us straight down. Let's see. Some potential trades gonna come today, but we want to be cautious because of CPI. Euro USD is tapped into that QP. Let's see what's happening. AUD USD also tapped into the QP. Looks like it's going to continue up. Okay, just being patient. Yo, physics, what's good? How are you doing? Good morning, good morning. We're just getting the day started. Looking at what we can find today. New day, new trades. Absolutely focused. One second, guys. I'm just trying to download the software for Mac. Okay, so now it should be fine. Awesome, let's continue. I think there's potential to continue to the upside, in all honesty. Let's see, can we get a trade? How long did it take you to get profitable? About 3 years. About 3 years. It's the thing is, because we're human, we keep making the same mistakes again and again. And I was in that cycle of getting profitable, getting wrecked. Yeah. When was your aha moment when trading? When I finally understood my, what would I say, plan or strategy. When I knew there was no going back. When I said, okay, I'm gonna make this work no matter what. It was like when what would I say? When I proved to myself that I could pass like so many different hurdles. And yeah, then the prop firm challenges came about, so you prove yourself again and again. So I think like after some time I was like, wow, I'm good at this. I can sustain myself if I'm not stupid. Which a majority of the time I was stupid, but that you can't help it until you devise a plan. So yeah. So yeah, that was one of the moments where I was like, okay, this is it. And that's when I put my papers down and I quit my job also. I was like, never going back there. Look at that. Euro USD breaking on up. GBP USD also should do the same, but for me right now, I'm staying away from it because we are at really strong resistances. Yeah. Yesterday I took the trade on this to finally make back my losses. Of course, I'm 0.15% off, but you can see with the 2.5 lot, I made back literally all my losses, you could say. Crazy. So you can see right here. You see, when you manage your risk and you go for high risk reward, my bad. Let me just get this up here. When you manage your risk, you're able to find the right trade. Was watching the same, yeah, beautiful. I think I could have held it, but it was 11 o'clock in the night. It was like 11:30. I was about to pass out at the chart, so I was like, okay, let me just shut shop. And yeah, but definitely something to look out for. Yeah, when you look for the right things, everything changes. And so physics, let me just 1 second. Damn, I feel one of my issues a while ago was being glued to the charts. I'll tell you what, being glued to the charts is not wrong. Okay? Being glued to the charts is never wrong. And what I will say is being glued to the charts and unproductive is wrong. Okay, so like when you're glued to the charts but you're not really getting or gaining anything from the charts. For me, what I always tell people is if you're going to be glued to the charts, make sure you're gaining something. So you're constantly seeing, like when you're glued to the charts, you finally understand how each candle close has a certain way of communicating things with you, right? So like this particular candle with this big wick is communicating something to you. So when you're glued to the charts, when you see that kind of wick, you would have checked all the lower time frames, right? You check all the lower time frames and see what is the story it's telling you. So being glued to the charts is not a problem if you're gaining something from it. A lot of people are just sitting in front of the charts, but it's not about sitting in front of the charts, it's about gaining value from the charts. So for me, constantly as I sit in front of the charts, my strategy is being tested again and again mentally. So I can tell you right now, just looking at the charts, I can see probably 5 to 6 entries that I could have potentially taken on my own strategy just by sitting and looking at this chart. Right now, I can literally tell you there's right there, this is one level I would have bought at, and you know I use quarter point theory. So look at this there, and where's the next one? Flat over there. So I can literally tell you these 3 levels I had buying opportunities at every single point. So that's where when I'm glued to the charts, I'm telling you that for me, I'm most productive. When I'm glued to the charts, there's so many things going on in the background, you know. That's the only reason why I became profitable. I was sitting here in the charts for hours and hours. I would sit for Raja's live streams, but I'm not just sitting and watching Raja and just vomiting what he's saying or doing, right? So that's why when I was glued to the charts, I would see what Raja's doing and I'd be like, okay, but why such a late entry? There's got to be more to it. Are we going to wait only for the breakout, or what about the previous retest? What about the market structure? What about the guys who are making hundreds of pips rather than 10 pips? Right? So you're not changing your strategy every time, but you're exploring the markets for what it is. You're understanding a bigger perspective of the markets for what it is. Right? And you're seeing, because if you want to see progression and what glued to the charts can actually do, again, this is my Discord server, my trading journals right here. You can see DC charts. This was back in 2023. Okay, can you see my perspectives keep on changing? I was still using quarter points, but I was using trend lines, right? Quarter points but trend lines, quarter points but trend lines. So there was like weekly and daily open. Can you see I've marked that out here? Trend lines, counter trend lines. This is the way I've evolved into the profitable trading strategy, because I've tried and tested so many different processes and finally arrived at a point. So right here you can see again trend lines. This one you can see only whole numbers, you see. So my time at the charts is not going wasted. My time at the charts is not going without, what would I say, like value. Let's just go as early as possible. I'm not even sure how far up I can go. Here, trend lines, but only breakout trading. Can you see this? Breakout trading. Just looking for potential buys above 172,550, potential sells below 172,120. You see, I've tested all strategies. Breakout trade, very simple, clear breakout trade. This is what I'm saying, like the world is full of opportunity. We need to make use of that opportunity. And now the reason why I'm consistently profitable, as you can see, yes, doesn't mean every day is a smooth sailing day, right? You can see I don't even need breakout trades. I don't even need a trend line. I don't need a breakout trade for that matter of fact. Because for me, all I need is to be able to look at the charts and tell you exactly which direction the market is moving in currently. Lower time frame can be a different market, higher time frame can be a different market, but right now I will tell you which direction we are moving in and have a higher probability. So that's why a lot of people are glued to the charts with zero value. And then that was a really good trade, was watching the same. Yep, that's good physics. Damn interesting perspective. Yeah, what you need to do is be able to read the charts with nothing on it. Tell me where the charts are going with zero information on it other than candlesticks. Okay? So what I usually do is wake up in the morning, set up plan for the day, set alerts of levels, then only get on the charts when my alerts get hit. Perfect, that's good. And in the night, I review the whole day in the night and replay mode. Okay, that's also good. For me, I just believe that there's so much to gain from the charts throughout the day, even on a boring day. Like yesterday was a pretty boring day, okay? This is the same zone I had drawn. Higher time frame was bullish, right? So weekly time frame, we've taken out all the highs since like 2024 Jan, right? We've taken out all the highs previously, sir. So higher time frame bullish, daily time frame also bullish. My question was, why didn't I take a buy yesterday? We took out all these highs, right? So this was the range that we were in. We spiked above the highs. Why did I not look at taking a buy? You get what I mean? It's yesterday when I was sitting at the charts, I was like, that was actually the support. So next time I'm gonna be ready for something like this, especially when I had the sentiment in my favor plus the chart in my favor. So why was I not ready for that? And so next time I will be. And it's fine. So I caught the trade once we took out this ultimate high, which was a 4-hour previous day 4-hour high and a previous day low high, previous daily high and previous 4-hourly high. So that's where I was able to get the trade finally. That's how it is. And I have what you call a slap account. So this is something that I personally tested, which is like a $50 to $100 account, which I'm trading throughout the day. Only 0.1, 0.2 lots, 0.05 lots, 0.0, I don't know, 8 lots, depending. Just a small $50 to $100 account where I'm just taking trades, different trades and perspectives that I'm seeing. I just keep taking it in that account. If I win, I make $10. If I lose, whatever, I lose $10, baby. But it's the perspective of always giving yourself an opportunity. I don't gamble on that account by no means. Many people think small account is for gambling. No, it's for continually testing out probabilities. So yeah. So yeah, I hope that gives you guys value. Because there's so much that you as a trader need to do to become the best of the best. So yeah, guys, feel free to ask questions. That's good physics. The more questions you ask, the better you're gonna become, honestly. If maybe one of these days I'll show you an entire run through my entire trading journey, because I have screenshots and pictures of where we started from to where we are. It's yeah, since I have that history, you can take a look into it, and I would say that my faith is only in God, so I believe that when I work hard, God rewards me, so yeah. It's amazing. And remember, it's the loneliest journey. I'm not sure anyone's gonna support you in this journey. Crazy. Crazy. One day. I have delusional self-belief and I am very stubborn. It's okay. No one has self-belief and no one believes in you other than yourself. You're the only one who can believe. Everyone else is gonna think this is a joke. Everyone else is gonna think that. Because I know, trust me, been there, done that. Everyone else is gonna advise you to do otherwise. The only person you can believe in is yourself. The only person who's gonna encourage you is you. So yeah, focus on you. I'll tell you what. What you should do is, if you have delusional self-belief that you're gonna achieve impossible things, you should have delusional and impossible work ethic. I just think that delusional belief plus zero work ethic is a problem. A lot of people in our generation today have delusional dreams and delusional self-belief and delusional confidence, but zero work ethic. Their grind game is non-existent. For us, since we're making it in a sphere which not many people will, your grind game has to be absolutely ham. No two people should be on the same level as you. The guy, it's that simple saying, right? The guy in the picture you're following, the guy you're looking up to, you should be working harder than that guy. Because the only way to get there is to outwork the competition. So that's why I look at market sentiment many times and I go opposite of market sentiment. 90% of all, not even 90%, 100% of all my trades are against market sentiment. Eliminate bad probabilities. Euro USD. Moving on up. Yep. That's right, physics. Work harder. And smarter, of course. Because harder plus smarter is equal to achieving way more than you could possibly achieve just by harder. Let's go. We want to see you successful, man. We want to see success. I don't think there's anyone I wish to not be successful. I want everyone in the sphere to be successful. But I know they're not going to because no one wants to work hard. A lot of people trading gold right now. But okay, I had this one account that which I thought I was gonna lose because I had reached minus 9.7 daily drawdown. Okay, okay, drawdown. But somehow I was able to get it out of that. Amazing. And now plus 2%. That's it. Yeah, gold is actually pretty nice to trade, but it's been up only with all the tensions worldwide. Yeah, Iran-Israel war, or at least rumors of war. Let's see. The problem is I'm seeing some people buy it right now. I just like just looking at the plain price action of gold right now, where it is, I wouldn't buy it right now. Doesn't make sense. Sorry, it just doesn't make sense. Let's just be patient. Do you trade the Indian markets? Nah, I don't. I feel like that's a little bit of a waste of my time. Forex market is the best market in the world, man. No cap, Forex, best global markets. think price is still trying to go up. Again, that is gonna become so much more fun to trade once rates get cut. Absolutely. FX is only gonna become better and better. You know, it's only getting better. How do you even approach eval phases and funded phases? You want my honest opinion? I don't have a different approach for either. I do the same thing. I trade the same way. I trade what I see. That's all. Nothing else. Just trade what I see. There's no other reason to do otherwise. Just approach it the same way you would on a normal account. Just trade. What I tell people, just trade. Don't get hung up on anything else. Just trade. Just do your thing. Just do your thing. Manage your risk as you would normally, trade as you would normally, take smart trades as you would normally. There's no reason to do otherwise. The minute you start doing this and that differently, you look up to any traders. I'm trying to think. Bernd Skrupinsky. I look up to him. This guy. He's the only guy I look up to. because he's got the right perspective. The others, I really don't care much for the others in the trading industry. Like I said, I give respect where it's due. I learned a lot of things I did learn from Trade with Monty and Raja Banks, which was basically my fundamentals in trading. What is a candlestick, this and that, and everything, the basic stuff. But I wouldn't say that I use a lot of what I learned from them. So yeah. Just be patient and wait. Yeah, there's no one who's really on Burn's level. Burn is the different breed, and that's why I like his method of training. I think it's super profitable because you're trading what you see and not what you feel. That SP really looks like it wants to make a new high. Yeah, right over there, waiting for that break of that previous high. Then look for a potential retest. Let's see, can we take out the high? What's your routine like? Okay, what is that big zone? How do you plot it? Okay, row. What's good? So simple. That is a zone of QPs between two QPs, 500, 250. Previous resistance zone, right? You can see previous resistance zone held many times right over here. You can see. So we were waiting for potential trades above the break of this high, right? So we waited for a break of this high. We got a nice little break above over here and a retest over here, right? So a resistance then became a support, right? So I plotted my quarter points, waited for a retest at a quarter point, and on the 15-minute I got an engulfing, which I took it up, and I took my profits around here, around 750. So it should be right over there because it was like 11 o'clock in the night. So plain and simple, bullish market structure, higher time frame, following the higher time frame market structures in the trends in order to make some money. Monday to Friday, pre-market analysis in the night, that's around 10:30, 11 o'clock. Market analysis 5 a.m. to check how the daily candle has closed and the higher time frame candles have closed. London session 11:30 a.m. to about 1:30 a.m. get off, get back on 4:30, 5 o'clock in the evening to about 7:30. That's my weekly routine. My weekend routine is mostly just spent in church. I'm a church boy. That's my weekly routine. So that's basically my routine. I focus on trading Monday to Friday. Weekends I have some fun. Maybe go out for a ride, depending. Any other plans in GU? Yep, we're waiting. Let's see. So if we see CPI change, then we will look at it. So let's wait for it. CPI, like I said, we're being cautious because of CPI, and here you can see these were our trades right now. Last week, what were our trades? You can see we take some absolute banger trades, but all only on EU and GU primarily, just focusing on the same part and parts of same process. Alright, so if you look at it, we follow trend very strictly. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So yeah, let's see. From who did you learn this setup? From myself. Would be nice to see EU break out of this range with CPI. Yeah, EU and GU both during CPI will be interesting. Yeah, I really like EU and GU. GU coming down right now, just patience. This is all from my own back testing and from my own experience. That's it. Perfect. Yes, most of them trade gold. I'm not a big fan of gold, because of clearly the volatility in gold. I trade mainly just you and you because you can make so much money with just these two pairs. So much money, and they both respect price action a lot better. What you'll also notice with these two pairs, is you will get smaller stop losses than gold, and you will get a lot of high probability trades. You have friends who trade? Yep, I do have friends who trade, but very few. What about you guys? What pairs do you guys trade in, and do you have friends or people who trade? How old are you guys? Let me know. Where are you guys from? Let's actually do that first in the chat. Where is everybody from? Where are you tuning in from to find out what's popping on this page? This one is just gonna be sitting and waiting. Today's CPI is gonna come, and one of two things is gonna happen. Everyone's gonna get smacked, or price is gonna move with market structure. Just you. Amazing, then this is the place to be, Aro. Ro. From Kerala. Nice. So I'm guessing your name is Rohit, maybe? Fort Lauderdale, Richard Crafton, yes. Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, just you, that's amazing. Yes, last night I had a friend who took a similar trade on GU. It was right over here. I didn't take it because I was in different positions in Euro USD, and I was stacked in Euro USD, so I didn't take it. But look at that, beautiful trade. 45 pips, easy. And normally my target is like maybe say 25 to 30 pips. More than that is like, personally for me, I don't see it happening most of the time. 1 second, guys. Literally, I avoided trading on these high impact news days, so just watching the day. Good. That's a good rule to have set, because there's no point. I trade about 10 minutes after high impact news when we know what's going on. Okay, Euro USD has taken out that previous high. Very good. So we'd expect some form of retest, but yeah, like you said also, I'm also pretty much today just sitting and watching. Because we allow the markets to first do what it's doing. And I have 2 second phase accounts with Funded Next and Alpha Capital, one with 2% up, and one just begun, so patiently waiting for tomorrow to buy. Let's go. So that means you only need 3% on one account, and an alpha capture 1 with 2% up. Nice. Let's go. Finish it up. What are the profit targets? It's just that I know personally I've heard way too many issues with Alpha Capital Group too. So that's why I only trade with an ebook pro firm called MONEVIS. They are an ebook pro firms. Like they actually have technology to copy your trades onto a live server, and they have enough funds to actually ebook your trades. So that's what I like about MONEVIS. That's why I use MONEVIS. But yeah, if I'm not mistaken, because I know Alpha Capital Group has denied a lot of payouts, even though they say they don't deny payouts, right? That's a big lie, because I've personally seen payouts being denied. So yeah, you can see the 1%. Let's just check last 30 days what's been happening. Oh, just look in the last 30 days. Just look in the last 30 days. How many red payout rejected based on case at my 16? Just look at that. Decline payout, shut all my accounts and blocked from logging in. This is the same thing that happened. We strongly disagree with the claim that we are banning profitable traders without reason. Our KYC process is designed to ensure compliance with international regulations and protest. Actions occur only when there are... Yeah, man, FTMO is the best. But yeah, same here. I wish. Look at the amount. Alpha Capital Group take a big L. Be careful. Yeah, no, even I thought Alpha Capital was group because of Rhythm promoting it. What's his name? Titans of Tomorrow promoting it. What I will tell you, Aro, is Funded Next, fantastic. Funded Next is not going to deny any payouts. If you abide by the rules, you're going to make money with Funded Next. Alpha Capital Group, I have a friend trader from India. I know him well. I've seen his accounts and everything, and he was denied big payouts. Only because it was big payouts. If you request anything like $1,000, $2,000, they pay it out. Anything more than that, they have an issue. They have some big issues. So you can see, just now I showed you the thing where the guy has 6 payouts, and yeah. How many firms are you with? Funded Next has some crazy offers, but that makes me really suspicious. No, Funded Next has crazy offers because their trade regulations are such, right? So Funded Next has some lower, lesser leverage and stuff like that. Stuff that can actually make a firm profitable. I'm with 3 firms: Finative Funding, MONEVIS, and FXify. I wouldn't recommend I wouldn't recommend Finative Funding or FXify. I 100% back MONEVIS because of the A-book model. I do not recommend Finauto funded or the Forex funder. I was with the Forex funder about $200,000 in capital. And both were funded accounts. But yeah, I do not recommend them at all. FXify, they're really good, I would say. But if you're profitable, then you can't buy any more accounts in them. Which is a strange way to have a business model, but it is a business model, so I don't, yeah. Are you trying other firms with, what is FP? Like, wait, let me show you FXify. Oh, funding pips. I've seen funding pips, but like I had 100K with funding pips, but I don't anymore. And I don't know. I've heard some new issues with funding pips, but yeah. What is funding pips X? Okay, I don't know. Sorry. FXify Trust Pilot. A send captain. Don't use the send captain. Don't. Just don't. Or if you won't use Funders Pro, I have no affiliation with any of these companies, just saying. Funder Pro is a legitimate A-book. Firm right over here. 1 second, let me just remove. Yeah, even I thought they were good, but look at FXify too. Okay, let me just see in the last 30 days. Ooh. Just look at these firms. Yeah, guys, don't. Why is 1 in 10? I don't know. Chuck these firms. I know funding pips is good, guys. That's one thing I can tell you. Funding pips is good. At least so far, funding pips is good. Let me say that. Sorry, my bad. Funding pips so far is good. Funding pips. Trust Pilot. Yo, Nav, what's good, man? How you doing? Ooh, let's see last 30 days. Hidden spread. Okay, execution scam. Do not purchase any account. But a lot of greens also. I don't know what to say. Yeah, I know MONEVIS is good. I know MONEVIS is good. If I have to suggest, FTMO, MONEVIS, Funder Pro, they're all the best. Is MONEVIS really good? Yes, MONEVIS is really good. Nav, that's fantastic, man. How's trading going? What have you been up to? What's new? Update me. Okay. MONEVIS, Trustpilot. Let's see Funder Pro, Trustpilot. Funderpro.com. Is it funderpro.com? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh, oh man. Honestly, in this sphere, great firm, industry should run. 4 days ago, paid out. One step challenge. Oh, all green. Would you look at that? Month of August, they have all green stars. Not bad. Would you look at that? Well, funded engineer booted you. Yeah, funded engineer smacked a whole lot of us, guys. This industry is so. What do you say? What do you call it? We as traders are getting tossed around, is all I can say. But yeah, Funder Pro actually has daily payouts, guys. No trailing drawdown. I think this is the next firm I'm gonna try. But remember, with Funder Pro, the max is 200k. You cannot get more than 200k. Trading trends. High leverage, fewer restrictions, no match. Lot says. Compare all the features. So yeah, 200k account. How much does it cost? So you can't hold over weekend and news, no news trading. That's good. I think that's good. No max lots, so you can use whatever you want. So yeah. Where are you from, DC? I'm from India now. India. You should try the fivers. I have heard of the fivers, but I've heard a lot of bad things about the fivers. They've been around for a long time, no doubt, yeah. Goat funded trader. I don't know, man. Now I come from the beautiful, the best city in India. The most amazing, wonderful city in India. I know my friends in the chat couldn't find it otherwise, but I come from beautiful Bangalore city in Karnataka. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have a lot to say about it. Now, where are you from now? Vouch, Bangalore. Let's go, physics. Yeah, beautiful sunny side Bangalore city. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go with Funder Pro next. So we can request daily payouts. That is crazy. Everyone's saying hands down best pro firm. Let's see. Okay, firstly they have a interesting. Let's see how it works. Okay. Canada. Oh, amazing. You get your payouts in all my payouts, every single payout in crypto. By a regular challenge. 200k, but I want to see all. Okay, here's all the rules. Okay, and here. There's a 45% consistency rule. Done. Now, the next time you come to Bangalore, Sunnyside, India, I will take you out if you're in Bangalore. That's it. remember, Bangalore has some of the best restaurants out there. Bangalore has some of the best restaurants. Bangalore is a hub for whatever you like, you know. Like our friend circles, we ride motorcycles, bikes, whatever, you know. But it's different ways of seeing Bangalore. I can take you around. Okay, so they have a 45% consistency rule. Let's see. Minimum trading day, 1 day, okay, 10%. Max loss, 5%. Daily loss, brilliant. Unlimited. This is during challenge phase, so 10% and then 8%. Fair enough. They're giving me the opportunity to trade, so yeah. You get a refund when you go live. 80-20 profit share. Man, this is fantastic. So age and prohibited jurisdictions. Okay, so can we find the places which are... Doesn't say anything about India. Okay, definitions. Client portal, okay. 18 years of age, no problem. We will see if it's prohibited in our jurisdiction. Payment, client portal, trading, wait. Termination or suspension of services, that's over here. Yeah, this is all understood. Rules. Here, Funder Pro rules. The information available provided you give your information to individual entities. Yeah, that is also fine. So I guess it clearly says we're not allowed to trade the news, so I don't even need to look at that. And personally, I don't even trade the news. Consistency rule. I hate those. Oh, I love consistency rules. But yeah. Funder Pro Trader. Because it only causes me to get better at what I do. I think it's clear cut. I think it's understood. Guys, next I'm gonna be using Funder Pro. %45% consistency rule. I have a 60% consistency anyway. Have you tried Funded Lions? I've heard of them. Funded Lions. Interesting. There's quite one more funded account was there. I just have PTSD with that rule. Oh, Funded Lions. What is this? 1% a day keeps the rules away. What? Achieve a simple 1% gain on your instant funded account with 0 restrictions. Enjoy perks like instant payout. What? 2% a day, double your gains and lead the way. Just like 2% plan, 1% plan, get paid instantly every time you hit 2% gain on your account with your trading style. Even news trading or weekend. What is this now? What is this? Yo, this gives me like, I don't know what all this means. The boss 2%. Simba. What is Simba 2.0? Daily loss 3%. Minimum plus max gain 2%. Weekend holding it. So this is instant funding. $2,000 for a 200k. Interesting. 2%. If I make 2%, interesting. That'll be $4,000. So you make them $4,000, but you're paying for 1% risk. So they will pay you back if you make one. Okay, fair enough. Interesting. Man, I have no, like, very interesting concept. I just don't know. Are they good now? To be extra safe, I'm just gonna go with FTMO. Yeah, that's the best. Funded Lions. What is this? Okay, physics. I empathize with you, man. Nothing is worse than getting scammed. Okay, let's see. Funded Lions. Oh, 22%. Scam alert, don't waste your money. They have fake reviews, 5-star. They have around 6k traders on instant funding, and payouts are very less compared to traders in Discord. Most of them are the same name and repeated. It's a professional scam by these. Okay, didn't have to make it personal, but yeah. They are scammer, they are complex. Total 900, we can understand, but your payout is rejected because you didn't follow the rules of HFT instant funding program. We always provide the violation evidence. If you violate the rules, no company in the entire world would pay you. Your scam is going on. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Okay, wait, let's just check this out. Okay, home. What's the cheapest challenge? $50? What? Hit 8%? No, I don't want that. 1%. $110. Yeah, I can do one. No consistency rule, max loss, daily loss, profit split 20. What? 25%? They're gonna pay me 25%. The profit split is 25%. So I make 1% and I get 25% of it. No one told me about this. These rules. I don't know what to say now. I think Funder Pro, guys. I think what we need to do is make a list, okay? Like, okay, let's just do this right now. Okay? Okay. List of best prop firms. Okay, firstly, we can't deny the fact that FTMO is the good, right? But the only problem with FTMO, DarwinX. What is DarwinX? Wait, oh wait, it's that thing where you prove yourself on a live account, right? If I'm not mistaken. What's prop firm? They're not even a prop firm. I mean, they have a subscription model, so yeah. Oh. I'm going to ask refund. They refuse. I will hunt them in UK and with every organization. No way. These guys are so funny. He's gonna hunt them. But yeah, Darwin X. Connecting traders and investors. Yeah. Nowadays, prop firms just know how to trigger anxiety, eh? Because you don't know which prop firm is legit, which isn't. Funder Pro, 45% consistency rule. But daily payouts. Traders love our daily payout. Uncapped daily payouts. All your funded accounts are sent to the market. This means that money is always there, 100% guaranteed. Only real funds have fast payouts. Funder Pro trusts its traders. This is why we give you real funds so that you can get paid every day. We don't filter your trades, we don't copy your trades and cash in on your strategy while paying you a fake profit split. All funded trades are real, all profits are real, all payouts. Watcha. Okay. What exactly this consistency rule, bro? Okay, 1 second. With the taxes, you must be getting hit hard because you receive money in crypto. No. I see, the thing is, you have to sell it peer to peer. Crypto. Sell peer to peer and then nothing. You don't get hit with any taxes. Other than if when you file your insurance, you have to kind of claim that as income, which you can just claim it as freelance work and then continue your life. And 50% of all freelance work is considered working expenses, business expenses, basically. You're welcome. Ever plan to move to a different country? Yes. Well, don't say that live on stream. Yeah. 6 people. I don't think they're sitting on my stream for sure. Ever plan to? Yeah, 100%. Can't wait to get out of this place, man. Look at this trade moving up. What a trade. Would have been nice to hold it. Alright, I'm going with Funder Pro next because they seem to be the most legit. Let's see. Actually, wait. Bernd Skropinski suggested a few. Wait, there you go. Funds for traders, ITF. FinToK. I feel ebook profile models don't make sense, especially with AD. I feel they do make sense depending on your rules. If you don't have a consistency rule, you will not be successful. I personally think that ebook prop firms need to have a consistency rule. Business perspective. Okay, let me just remove this funded lines. No one wants to do funded lines. So FinToK is supposed to be pretty good. But Fint, okay. Review, let's see. Oh, not bad. Okay, this is invisible rule. I would not do business here. I bought a trading account here, traded, but was rejected because of rules that were not explained to me. The rules are not well explained. I was not satisfied, so I contacted because they treat me like a. There are other platforms out there. There's no reason to deal here. I was contacted by this company after I made this post, asked me to give them my first name. I'm not. It's okay, but I don't see the problem. The normal trading, no trader expect instant execution if the order is 50 lots. Interesting. So that's another thing. So okay, look guys, look at MONEVIS is suggested, Funder Pro suggested, ITF and funds for traders. Let's see funds for traders also. Funds for traders. What is ITF prop? Indigo Trade Funding. I've never heard of any of these firms. But it's the man, the myth, the legend, Burned. I can't even fight with him about it. I feel they take too much risk giving real capital to traders. Plus, based on stats, even most funded traders aren't consistent here. No, that's what. So it'll only. So only the top 1%, the echelon of traders, will actually go to live markets. I need to do some. Okay, 5%ers review. Let's see. Okay, 5. Wow. Okay, let's see last 30 days. Nice. Interesting. All good reviews for these two companies. Indigo Trader. 6 challenge. better funding for traders. Indie Go Trader funding trust pilot, and then let's open that. Funds for traders trust pilot. Oh, 14% last 30 days. Interesting. It's so interesting, guys. There's so many pro firms. It's difficult to gauge who is good. So it's so a lot of these firms have, I guess, a good model, and these are only the firms that we're looking at from Burns' video, right? So MONEVIS I'm already with. There are a few more companies. Fundo Pro is definitely something I will be looking at next. Funding Pep's not looking at it. So all these firms have good reviews. So that's something we gotta keep in mind. Mind-boggling. Let's see. So I'm gonna put this up. FTMO, let's go 2 to Fundo Pro, 45% consistency rule. Daily payouts. That's one of the big reasons why we're looking at this firm. Because if you're consistent, then who knows, you could get daily payouts. Let's see, 250. Indigo Trader. What is this? Okay, you make the same profit target twice, maximum fixed drawdown with daily drawdown is a little lesser. instead of 24 and 15, that is 39. You're doing 36. Okay. What is the rules? Okay, bro, at what time you stream on a regular basis? 11:30, my guy. 11:30. And if I'm streaming New York, if I'm around, then you can join us here too at 5 in the evening, Indian time. So 11:30 or 5. Join our Telegram and Discord to find out, you know, whether I am live or not. Crazy. So Fin2K is gonna be one of the other platforms I'm gonna try out. No consistency rule, nothing. Let's go new accounts in the 24 hours. Okay, that's good. When is this payout made? 1 week back. 19K. Okay. Okay, Fint, okay. I share trade ideas on the Discord and the Telegram on a daily basis, yes. My analysis is sent out every single day. What's good? How we doing? Trading days. Consistency. Nothing. Okay, that's good. For my partner, sure. The average passive change mode is around 7%. Make sure to update. Okay, nice. They have that updated. Let's check the Instagram. Do they have? Tiny payouts. Is there no big payouts to them or what? Okay, I just joined the Discord. Where is payouts? Oh no, this company is I don't trust it. Every payout is like $100, guys. With Indigo. Pint okay. Actually, no, that's correct. Let's check. I mean, they showed that the payouts on there, but do they not have a Discord? No Discord, but they have a YouTube. What is this? Email. Let's just go back. They have an X account. Okay. So that is also okay. This year they paid quite a lot. $12,000 members in this channel. most of the people's payouts are $100. I don't get it. 100 below 120, $30. Like, I mean, like, why are we even posting those payouts? Shocking. No. That is ridiculous. Oh, we've been trying to search for decent prop firms, but so far we've only found about 500 plus 400, 900, $1.1 million in decent prop firms. But of course, they all have a scaling plan, so yeah. But guys, this is honestly the prop firm space so sad. Like, all I gotta say is, like, why are we in the situation we are in right now? Do they have a Discord?Int okay. Is there a Discord server? No Discord server. About us. Oh, nice. Okay. I think MONEVIS has a Discord. Let's go with them. Thunderpro.com. 45% consistency rule. I think I can deal with that. Okay, 3 firms: MONEVIS, Thunderpro, Fint. Okay. Sell GU from that resistance zone? No plans to sell GU at all. I have every plan of waiting for GU to show me what market structure we're gonna set up. Are we gonna continue breaking this high or not? So only trade in market structure. But why did you even take them as a high, whereas there are many other broken highs? Because there's a strong resistance. So look at it on the weekly, daily time frame. Look at this. Strong resistance. Weekly time frame. Previously we fell from here so many times. Right? So we have to wait for the zone to get broken and be treated with respect as a support. So then I will look for longs. If we were down here, I would have taken the longs for sure. Alrighty guys, take it easy, don't over-rest, don't overtrade. You guys know the vibe. I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Or maybe day after tomorrow, since tomorrow is one of the big holidays in India. It's our Independence Day. Take it easy, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ciao.